In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from WeLive app. So if you're receiving a lot of notifications or alerts from this app, then let me show you how you can put an end to that. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that to support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So for us to be able to stop pop-up notifications, we need to go ahead and access the app info page. To do that, just go to settings on your smartphone, and from settings, go to apps. And under apps, look for the option called manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you find your app. And as you can see, my app is here. Alternatively, you can just search for your app using the search option on top here. Once you have found it, go ahead and tap on it. And you can see we are on the app info page. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, go back and look for your app. Once you have found it, just long press on it and you should see app info on top here. So if you tap on it, you'll be taken again to the same app info page. At this point, go to permissions section. And under it, you should see notifications. If you tap on notifications, you can see all these notifications are on. To turn them off, go ahead and toggle off show notifications and all notifications will be turned off. From now, you'll never receive pop-up notifications from this app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.